Hello, I'm going to make green gram dosa today. The ingredients needed for that are green gram and little bit of raw rice 1 spoon, then 1 inch ginger, then a few pieces of or 2 or 3 pieces of green chilies, then for little bit of salt. You can decorate it with grated carrot, finely chopped onion and grated coconut also. Soak the green gram overnight with a little rice or 5 to 6 hours, and then you grind it to a coarse paste with the ginger and chili. Now the batter is ready. Put the non-stick tawa on the stove. Then the batter consistency should not be very thick or very thin. You take one measure of this and you can make a thin dosa with that. It will take 2 to 5 minutes. Because non-stick is you are doing in a non-stick, much of oil is not necessary. Just you can sprinkle little oil, then you can close it with the lid so that it can be cooked easily. Adjust the heating to a medium and then wait for 5 minutes. And then when it is ready, one side is ready, as you are doing for the other dosas, you can just turn over and then let it cook for another few minutes. Now the first side is ready. You can turn it over, then cook it for, close it again, cook it for a few minutes. When both sides are done, you can garnish it with little grated carrot and finely chopped onion, grated coconut, and if you want, you can add small pieces of chilies also, and chopped coriander leaves. Now it is looking gorgeous and it is ready to eat. You can close it for a few minutes so that can also be, the carrot, the onion and the coconut can also be cooked little bit, or it becomes soft. Okay, now it is ready. Okay, and you can just transfer to a plate. Now let me taste on behalf of you and tell you how it is. Nice. It's very nice dish.